Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add columns within the columns for a better organization of the elements on the site, and it will really shine on the mobile version using the Elementor Page Builder. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says Pages. We are going to click on all the pages. Now we are going to select the page where we want to add our columns. In this case we are going to use the home page, and then we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to an empty section, and we are going to click on the plus symbol to add a new section, and we are going to choose a 2-column section like this. And now we are going to click on the widget buttons, and we are going to type inner section. And now we are going to click, hold down, drag it, and then release it within the column. And as you can see, we have new sections. We have new columns within the columns. So we are going to duplicate it, and we are going to add a new one, and we are going to duplicate the section and add it to the other. To duplicate, we are going to click on the right mouse button and then click on the duplicate button like this. So now we are going to the widget bar once again, and now we are going to add some icons within the new columns. So we are going to add our icons right here. Then the last one, and now we are going to see these columns within the columns in the mobile version. And as you can see, they have a line vertically, because this column had a full white. So on the column white, specifically for the mobile version, we are going to type 33% on all of them. So 33 and 33 only on the mobile version. So as you can see, now the icons have a line horizontally between the columns, so it's no longer stuck pile up atop of the other ones like in the other column. So this is a great way to organize our elements in a manner that it looks good and it has sense within the proportions of the site. So we have done this using the Elementor Page Builder in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Palatech.